Hello, I'm Lola, and in this tutorial we'll walk through how to transcribe your calls live, which is a feature that is exclusively available in the Plus version of the daily plugin for Bubble. So this particular tutorial is going to go over the auto transcribe method in the plugin. There's also the ability to start a transcription on demand or maybe through like a button click, but we will get through the basics. A lot of the steps are relatively similar. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to enable transcription in our room. So we're going to do our favorite, a pages loaded workflow. We're going to create a room. And we'll keep most of the settings here the same. The one thing, so in the Plus version, there is this transcription setting, and we'll enable live captions. We'll enable storage. Enabling storage is what's going to send the transcript to concatenate it for daily, and then you'll be able to retrieve that transcript after the meeting as well to do various things. We're going to do auto transcription. We're going to set that to yes, which when the meeting owner with the auto transcription label, which we're going to create a meeting token for it, when that owner joins, then bam, transcription will start automatically. We won't have to create any buttons. And then there's some other filters like which you can learn about in the docs about like having a profanity filter or, punctuation, redacting if there's certain things that you're going to be talking about. We have the model, several different models. I'm just going to do the general model. And next we are going to create our meeting token. So create the meeting token. The room name, it's going to be the room we just created. We want to be the owner. And in the transcription settings, we're going to set yes, and we're going to set the live captions UI to yes. And then we'll also want to join our room. Let's join room. That's it for the workflows. Well, actually, make sure we put our URL in the room. We'll make it a full screen room. We'll also add our token. So those steps, making sure you have them, they don't necessarily have to happen on page load. You can make sure you just have like a token where it's an owner with these transcription settings, a room that has these settings enabled. We're going to click preview here. Again, I'm going to make this false. I want to just get the debugger out of the way. We're going to join our room. We'll see that there's this tray button here with captions. We can do the captions and we can just start talking. So here I am. You can see that my live captions are here and as I am chatting, and as other people chat, their live captions will be here as well. So this can improve accessibility of the meeting. This transcript is also available via API because we enabled storage. This is a pay. Not only is it part of the Plus version of the plugin, it's also a paid feature with daily. So you will have to attach your credit card to your account. But what would you build with this? I'm super curious. That's the tutorial. Drop a comment of how you would use this. And thanks for tuning in.